Hey guys, welcome back. In the series of learning programming in C, in today's video, I'll be discussing about features of C. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all my new videos. Features of C. The first feature that what we can talk about is, it is high level language. C is a high level language. So what is the meaning of high level language? It is very far from the low level features. In the sense, we need not focus on the computer architecture, the CPU's specification, all these low level details, the hardware details, we need not focus here. So it is very far from the low level details. So it is at the high level in the sense it is very near to the user. So it is user friendly language. So here we only focus on writing programs and we focus on some variables, keywords, constants, some mathematical notations, expressions evaluations. So only these things we concentrate here. So we talk about the high level aspects. Only we focus on writing the programs and hence it is high level language. All the low level hardware details we need not focus here. So hence the C is the high level language. Next, it is a very small language. A very small language with 32 keywords. So it will be very easy for the user to learn a language with small keywords, 32 keywords. So it is a small language. So we can easily learn this language. The next point we talk about is, it is a core language. Many other languages are dependent on this language like C, C++. All these languages are dependent on this language C. So it derives the features from C. The C or C++ or Java, it derives the features from C. So it is a core language. The next point. It is a portable language. Portable in the sense, I can carry the program to any other machines and run on it. So I can say that it is machine independent. So I can run my C program on any machines. But sometimes I can say that it is operating system dependent. So the program that what we run on Windows cannot be executed on Linux or Unix. So I can say it is machine independent in the sense it can support on any processors but not on any operating system. It supports a wide range of built-in functions. So many functions are already defined and it is stored in the system's library. So we only have to use those functions in the program. We need not write the code of it. So for example, if I want to perform some mathematical operations, I can make use of some mathematical functions which is available in the header file math.h. So I can make use of the function like square root to get the square root of a number, say power of a number. So like this. I can also perform some string operations with the help of string.h. So like this, I can make use of the built-in functions, a wide range of built-in functions the C language is going to support. The next thing is, it is a structured language. Structured language in the sense, we can organize the program as functions, as modules. So I can say that it is supporting modular approach. I can say it is modular programming. So everything is dealt in the form of functions. So I can create small functions and organize these functions in a structured way. So I perform many actions. I want to perform some mathematical operations. I want to create a program that performs mathematical operations. So I can create small functions and organize those functions in a structured way. So that is what it says. It's a structured programming. So it is supporting modular programming approach. So I can organize my functions in the way I require. It is an extensible language. It means to say I can extend the features of my program by creating new functions. I can create new functions and add those new functions to the system's library. That's what I say. I can extend my program. It's a language that supports the extensible features. It means to say I can add new functions to the library. The next point, compilation and execution is faster. C is a compiling language. I have discussed about this in my previous video. Please do go and check out. The link is given in the description also. So your C is a compiling language. So after compilation, object code will be generated and we have the executable file and we can run that executable file. So the time required to execute that compiled code is very less. So when compared to the interpreted language, the time required here to execute that compilation code, what we call as object code, is very less. So hence I can say the compilation and execution is faster. Next point. Here we have the concept of pointers. Pointer is a special variable which points to the address of another variable, but it should be of the same type. So here we have the concept of getting the value directly through the address. So we can directly access the values through pointers. And also it supports dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation. So here it says allocating the memory dynamically. Dynamically means during runtime, during execution time, I can allocate the memory. So the memory is not wasted here. So how much amount of memory I require? So that amount of memory I can allocate. That is what dynamic memory allocation. I can allocate the memory dynamically. That is during runtime. It is case sensitive language. So if I write the variable in uppercase A and if I use the variable in lowercase a, both are different. So it bothers about the case also. So if I use the uppercase a, it is different, and lowercase a, it is different. So whatever tokens I use in my program, whatever programming elements I use in my program, it bothers about the case. Uppercase is different, lowercase is different. The next, we can develop and operate on embedded systems. So we have something called as embedded systems. So if I use washing machine, some embedded system will be there that is going to operate on that particular machine. So if I just talk about the micro oven, so all these are working with the concept of embedded systems. So we embed some programs there. So the C language can be used to develop such embedded systems. So I can embed some programs using C language. So these are all about the features of C language. So hope you have understood the features of C language. In the next coming video, we will be discussing about how to learn C. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.